In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Telegram download speed. We'll focus on a few targeted tweaks inside the app that reduce background distractions and give more bandwidth to the files you actually want right now. Follow along on your phone and feel free to pause as you apply each change. First, let's tune Telegram's data usage so your active downloads get priority. Open Telegram and tap the three-line menu in the top corner. Go to Settings, then Data and Storage. Open Automatic Media Download. Here you'll see separate options for mobile, Wi-Fi, and roaming. For each one, either disable auto download entirely or set it to low. This prevents Telegram from silently fetching images, videos, and documents in the background while you're trying to pull down a large file. You can still download any item you want by tapping it manually, but you won't be competing with a flood of auto-downloaded media. Next, remain in Data and Storage and look at the data usage section. If there are specific categories you genuinely need to auto-download, set those to high selectively, but keep everything else low or off. The idea is to allow only what's essential while freeing up bandwidth for your current transfers. While you're here, check whether a proxy or VPN is enabled. Proxies and some VPN routes can slow downloads or add congestion. Turn them off if they're active and you don't need them for this session. Now let's clear space and reduce app overhead. In Data and Storage, Open Storage Usage, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary media copies and old thumbnails that can bog down performance over time. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or your cloud files. Anything important stays in Telegram's cloud and can be re-downloaded when you tap it. Clearing cache simply gives the app a cleaner slate, which can make file handling and indexing more responsive. Finally, prioritize the files that matter most. From your main Telegram screen, tap the download icon at the top to open the download manager. Long press the file you need first and choose Prioritize. This moves it to the front of the queue so it finishes sooner. You can also pause other downloads temporarily if they're getting in the way. Keeping Telegram open and the screen awake while a big file is prioritized can help maintain consistent throughput. And that's it. With auto downloads dialed back, data usage refined, cache cleared, and your key files prioritized, you should notice faster, more reliable download speeds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel